Hi, I'm Lawrence from ThinLine Europe, and today I'm going to explain you how to easily fit the ThinLine grazing muzzle. First of all, you will notice that the muzzle comes in three sizes: mini pony size, cub horse size, and large oversized. The easiest way to pick the right size is to take the same size as you have your good fitting halter. The bag comes with a muzzle, an instruction card, fitting twist ties and the final zip ties. Our ThinLine grazing muzzle is unlike any other cage-like muzzle we all know. It's very flexible, lightweight and very gentle on the skin and teeth. It also has a UV protected layer for delicate noses. On to the fitting. 5 easy steps to take to get you going in no time. First step, take a good friend and a good halter at hand. Best is to fit with little help from a friend. Keep your bridle at hand so you can take the halter off in any moment. Second step, present the side fins. Ask your friend to help the horse lowering the head a little downwards as you take the two fins with the triangles. These are the side fins of the muzzle. Measure it from side to side up to the buckles of the halter, on which hole the muzzle just touches the nose. Keep in mind on which hole you are at the sides and make sure you take the same holes on both sides. In this stage you can already take off the halter. Ask your help to put the bridle on and to keep the horse close. Third step, put on the twist ties. Now you can take the twist ties and attach them to the sides of the halter on the holes you just measured. Count the holes you're on the sides and attach the upper fins and the lower fins one hole looser. So, if you are on hole 3-4 at the sides, fix all 6 upper and lower fins on hole 4-5. Fourth step, present and test. Once you have that attached, take off the bridle and put the muzzle halter on again. And look if everything is alright. Check that the nose is very close to the muzzle, just not touching or slightly touching. Then check if the side fins gap too wide open. If they do, fit them one hole higher. Keep the twist ties on for now and go up in the field and test. Fifth and final step. Put on the twist ties. Important here is to go through the top of the zip tie, not from the bottom up. You need to hear a rattling sound when strapping on and strap them on very tightly. Do not leave a loop open. They need to be able to break when something got caught. Also important, only use our intended zip ties in the package. They are created to break at the right tension before the muzzle breaks. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let us know, and this might be for another ThinLine moment.